constituency. I think it is common cause, although for various reasons, you in the media are not talking about this or acknowledging it in your coverage of various issues of public interest in our country. That in terms of the new, or in terms of our constitution, now that we have gotten used to it, we don't say new, it's fairly old now. But in terms of our constitution, and in particular section 158, subsection 1A, the next harmonized elections are due by the 22nd of July 2018. We must hold elections by the 22nd of July 2018. The reason being that the Constitution, that section that I've referred to, says that the elections must be held. You know, there has always been an issue, especially in the run-up to the 2013 elections. There was a huge debate about the timing or date of the election. The matter ended up being resolved in the Constitutional Court, you know. But it is because the last elections, a number of things relating to the last elections were held in terms of two constitutions. So in terms of the former constitution as to the expiry of Parliament, which was supposed to be 29th of June 2013, and there was a whole big debate with others saying it could be extended to at least October, 4 months beyond the 29th of June. There was a big debate. It was resolved in the courts. But the new constitution, which will determine the date of the next election, says that the elections must be held not more than 30 days prior to the expiry of the date the sitting government assumed office. And as we all recall, that date for this government was the 22nd of August, when the president was sworn in, 2013. So 30 days prior to the expiry of 22nd August 2018 will be 22nd July 2018. Now, I think as a result of this fact, for some consciously, others subconsciously, and yet others ignorantly, just following everyone else, there has been a preoccupation with election politics. You would get the impression that the elections are due in 3 months' time, or at most 6 months' time, if you judge the behavior of people, what people are doing. Which is unfortunate, because I find to think that 22nd July, it's not that the elections must be held on the 22nd of July. It's that they must be held by that date. But the 22nd of July 2018 is a long time away from today. A long time. And you would know best, because you are the ones who often say that a day in politics is like a lifetime. But the 22nd is a long time. However, even though it is a long time, we must accept that although there is this period ahead of us, that period is shorter than the period behind us, since the 22nd of August 2013.
Kana muchida kuve wokutanga kunzwa nyaya dzakadai mazuva ese, garai makateya pa YouTube nekuklika button rakanzi subscribe. Munobva maita wokutanga pa Zim DITV News kunzwa zviri kuitika.